Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking a true live photo, not a still. Open Photos, play it to confirm the motion and length. Short clips convert best. Once done, trim or edit the live photo if needed so the moment starts and ends cleanly. That keeps the wallpaper from feeling choppy. Make sure Live Photos is enabled in camera for future shots. Now you're ready to move from selection to applying it as your wallpaper. Tap Share and select Use as Wallpaper. You'll see the live photo preview. Position and pinch to adjust framing. This controls what shows when the phone is locked. Make sure the live photo icon is highlighted so the motion will play. If it's dim, tap it to enable live. Important: choose Set and then set Lock Screen. Live wallpapers only animate on the lock screen, not the home screen. Once you confirm, your live photo is applied and ready. Lock the phone and long press the lock screen to trigger the live photo animation. That's the only interaction that plays it. If it doesn't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is turned off in Settings. Right arrow accessibility, right arrow motion. This setting prevents wallpaper animation. Also verify haptic or touch settings are functional. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, reapply the live photo using the same steps, and test with a different live photo to isolate file issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.